Zayn and her husband Medy recently launched the catering company that is inspired by Zayn's mother, who passed on recipes of their homeland to her.
It's an inspiration from my late mother. It's something that I really shared very closely with her. As a child, I grew up. I watched her prepare a lot of different meals, and we really wanted to introduce something really amazing in Houston by introducing our food through culture. So the Swahili is actually a culture from East Africa, from the islands of Mombasa. It's more of the Arab and the African. It's a combination. We're a non-frozen, freshly made food and very authentic. And you know, coconut is one of our main ingredients.
Delicious. The blending of the flavors. If you like our content, please follow us on all social and subscribe to our YouTube channel.